What's up, fam squad? Back at it again. Happy birthday to Rami in the shot. In the shot. Because my mom's birthday today. Say happy birthday to her. If you're watching this video, it'll make her day. We went to a very nice dinner at Crystal House in Landmark, Hong Kong. And sipping on my whiskey now. So vibes are going great. Juices are flowing, alcohol is flowing. And this morning I went to networking class. We talked about default gateway, how computers make ARP requests, and also talked about subnetting as well, borrowing bits, etc., like broadcast address, network address, host range, like etc. And we didn't do any other thing today, unfortunately, because last night I slept way too late, and it really ruined my energy for today. So tonight we're gonna aim to finish Lico quick, get to bed early. Tomorrow I wanna have a quick 3 kilometer run tomorrow morning. Then I'm gonna see my girl and we're going to lock in, grind, and then go to dinner. Yeah. And also thinking about doing the CCNA, Cisco Network Administrator or something, Certified Network Associate. Yeah. This because I already did the course, right? So I might as well like take the exam and actually get the certificate. I can put it on my resume and whatever, so would be kind of good. Also add to my BSNA certificate that I'm doing at UC San Diego. Also can add to my just add to my resume, right? So this could be something that I can do. Yeah, networking fundamentals, IP services. Yep. Yeah, this will be something that I want to do. And this is also relevant for what I want to do eventually, right? Which is um, like high frequency trading, because this like low latency networks is very important um, for high frequency trading. So doing this, I feel it would make my resume more competitive as well. Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me? Okay, I'm assuming you can hear me. I don't really know. Um, but yeah, anyways, enough yap. CCNA I can do. My class is finished. It's April 17th, 11:40 p.m. now. It's late at night, so I want to finish this in like 30 minutes. Yeah, the the networking classes that I'm doing right now will finish on May 8th. So, I guess another 2 weeks of revision and actually going through the labs and stuff, and I can take the shit. Yeah, I can do it with my girl as well because she's the one who's actually in the class. I'm just sitting in. Um, but yeah, pretty cool. This could be something that I could look into. Um, yeah. Um, yeah, TCP/IP, and then like because the project that I want to do right now is um is this. Let me show you. Is mm, let me show the homies what I want to work on. This is more of a yapping session right now. It's CTP uh, on I think it's Chris, right? Forgot what this guy's name is. Carl Cook. Yeah, Carl Cook. But this is the project that I want to do. Um, this thing. And this is very much like higher frequency stuff. Okay? This guy works at Optiver and he basically teaches you how to measure latency of low latency systems, right? Because if you in a regular script, if you use like let's say if you use if you use something like I don't know. If you do something like standard chrono high resolution clock, right? Dot now, something like that. Like this command itself can already take more than a few nanos, right? But then in Optiverse case, obviously that would work because like the latency that you're trying to measure is nanos, right? So what you do here is you have a server that contains the data, the trade data, the pricing data, the quotes and stuff. And then this is a switch, network switch, layer two, data link layer with high precision hardware based timestamping appended to each packet. So whenever a packet gets sent out, the switch will append a timestamp on the packet header or trailer, I'm assuming, to this, right? Server under test, processes it, sends it back, boom, and then you get another timestamp, right? Something like that. Um, yeah, and the server which captures and parses each network packet it sees and calculates response time, right? This is what I'm trying to build. And this would require networking knowledge, right? So I guess this would be a great project to get me get my foot in the door for high frequency trading, right? Very, very interesting stuff. Um, but yeah, that's a little sidetrack. Um, yeah. Anyways, let's get back to leak code. I don't. Okay, let's. Is this actually the command? Cheers. Right. I think this is it. I think so. Um, I don't actually know, but I do think so. Yep. Okay, so let's do a simple question, and then I'm fucking out of here. Today is just so whatever. So hello, hello. Can you load? Oh, fuck. Okay. Um. First bad version. Find a duplicate number. Okay, which one are we feeling? Okay, I'm closing my eyes. Let's go for this one right here. What is this? Search and rotated sorted array 2. Okay, can we do the 1 first? Okay, I guess let's do this. You are given an mxn integer matrix with the following two properties. Each row is sorted in non-decreasing order. Ascending, ascending, ascending. Sure. The first integer of each row is greater than the last integer of the previous row. Okay, this is greater than this is greater than this. Okay. Given an integer target, return true if target is a matrix or false otherwise. You must write a solution O log m times n complexity. Okay, so I'm assuming because like log m plus log n equals to log n times m, right? I think, right? Yep. So basically one search for the rows, one search for the highs, right? Sure. Um, how do I go about this? Return sort of. So basically, it's sort of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? Okay, sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Um, I'll search for which row it's in first, right? So for number of rows would be what? Matrix dot size, right? And columns will be matrix, right? What are the constraints? Mm-hmm. Say this M, this is N, right? N is the columns. Number of rows is the size of matrix, right? Number of columns is the size of first element, right? Okay. So it's at least one row and it could be 0 columns. Okay. Then in this case, I would go for in I equals to 0. I is smaller than M, right? Plus plus I. Um, so now I am looping through the rows, right? And then I'm looking for target row. And then target column. Okay, so for in I, if first row, last element, first row, last element is, oh, no. I should do a binary search, right? So there has to be a mid. It would be there'll be a left M and then right M equals to -1 off. And then there would be a right N and a left N, right? Equals the left N plus right n divided by 2. If matrix mid get last element more equals to target, right? If this smaller equals to target, then it means no, if it's equals, then you return this, right? Or then you return true. Else if else if else if this is smaller than target, then what you would do is the the mid is smaller than the target, which means you will be on the right. So you would look on the right side, right? So left n equals to mid plus 1. Else right n equals to mid minus 1, right? Then you would have an easier for you will be wow. What is log a times log a? What is it equals to? I'm thinking if I write a binary search within this, left end mid plus 1. Right, 0, 2. Mid would be 1. And then mid n minus 1, which would be 3. Target is smaller than this. This is bigger than target, right? So right end equals to mid minus 1. So left and right are both here. Then the mid will be this. 7 is smaller than, it's still bigger than target. So mid is right. So now right is bigger than whatever, right? So now you want left. You want left. Let's try this first. Mid smaller, right and left is here. Bigger, so left. So now left, you want left. Okay. Right, okay. So you have left now. Good. Now left and is in the right place. Left M, sorry. Mhm. And then you would do the same thing, but for uh but for N, right? So the columns. Damn it. Like I see some I've seen some of the competitive programming videos. They're very good at typing. What the fuck? Like actually insane. They never type wrong, so they never have to backspace and waste strokes. Respect. Sidetrack. Okay, if what am I looking at here? So what I want is left M. If uh, matrix left M mid equals target, then you would return true. Else matrix left M mid smaller than target. It's smaller, so you want to look on the right side. Left N will be equals to mid plus 1. Else right N right. All right. And then if you can't find anything, return false. Damn it. Where? Oh, oops. Sorry. Oops. Sorry. Oh my God. Am I getting good? But these are pretty basic problems, I guess. Oops. Oopsies. Okay. Complexity is right. So I feel like the approach is correct. Um, mm, 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 mm. Whether it rains or pours, I'm all yours. You've got all my love. Whether it rains, it remains. So this has a problem, right? Because matrix 1 doesn't exist. If I access, we just return false. How do I make sure it's inbound? Mm. I'll make sure it's inbound by making sure m minus 1 by making sure, so I do need m, right? N minus 1 by making sure left n is smaller or equals to n minus 1, smaller. Because size is 1, then the only accessible index is 1, right? Okay, yeah. And if this doesn't work, then you just return false. Fuck! Three is bigger than target. To right goes -1. So left is 0, right? So it does work. Okay, yeah. Sorry. It should be equal should work. Man, what? There we go. There we go. So light, light misstep, but I did do it. I did get it. I did get it. Complexity is log n plus n because binary search. There we go. Yeah, I wonder what I could have done better. Let's see. To the end of my day, you got all my love. Dun dun dun. You got all my love. Um, yeah, I mean, pretty much the same thing. I want to know what this code runs at. Same exact thing. Right. Yeah. Um, how does he handle the? Gets much more to it. Um, yeah. Mm, 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 mm. Any other clever solutions? What? Oh, you iterate it. Um, sure. They're just iterating. Yeah, triad sortless also works. Um, yeah, yeah, yeah. Also works. You must write it better. You must write a solution in this, right? So it makes you do two binary searches by. I mean, I fucking did it. So it be what it do. It be what it do. It be what it do. Okay, well, did a medium today. Very nice. Um, okay, well, calling it a day, homies. Getting better every single motherfucking day. See you tomorrow. Cheers. Don't drink, kids. Stay in school. Look at me. I'm 23, finished my master's, still studying, still going strong, still upskilling, still struggling through life. 节目不能停，别放弃，我的兄弟们。See ya.